Today we're gonna be making edible cookie dough.
First, you'll need to add 1 cup of flour. And then you'll need 1/2 tablespoon of salt.
You will need 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Then you will need 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Okay.
So now you need 2 tablespoons of milk.
There. You need 1/2 cup of butter.
Then we're gonna add the chocolate cake.
Okay. That's how you make edible cookie dough.